Okay, I hope you all can hear me. Could you please confirm? Yes. Anyone?
Yes, I can
Yes,
hear
yes,
you.
yes. You can go ahead.
Yeah. Okay, very good. So this is introduction of QS of downline and cost. So before I introduce myself, I will do a little magic. Then I will explain to you the importance of this modern technology. So please observe very carefully. I will demonstrate a small project. I will share my screen. Just sit back, relax, and watch. Okay, this is very interesting. This is my Costech software, and I will go to File, and I will delete one project from here. Okay, then I will go to File again. Then I will click on New. Then I'll rename this project as Demo project. Then I will click here and click Default project. Okay, I started this demonstration at 8:35. Then I will click Insert. Okay, so this is my Costech interface. Then I will go to Rovings and I will click on Add. Then I will go to my local disk and I will go to Costex. I will go to this Costex class. This is a Revit model. Then I will click Open. Then I will click Yes. Still 8:35. So this is the importance of this modern technology. And this is a small Revit model, and I will click insert. Okay, it is 836. Then I will go to dimensions and I will go to import. Then I will click on import dimension by using BIM template, and I will click on BIM import Revit general, and I will click open. All the quantities will be imported to this Costech software. Okay, you can see doors, floors, generic model, then walls, windows. Okay, this is just a simple model, but all the quantities has been extracted within few seconds. Then I will go to workbooks and I will click on add. Then I will click on generate workbook from dimension, and I will rename this as BOQ. Then I will click OK. Then all the dimensions has been extracted into this format. Okay, so this is the summary and these are the subtotals. Very simple. Okay, only I got only 2 minutes. Then I will go to reports and I will click on print workbook to report. Then I will click on this BOQ and I will click on edit. Then I will check a little bit. You can see grouping. I have to exclude I and O from the BOQ. Then I will go to page layout. Perfect. Header. Perfect. I will change the name to Delina Residence. Then I will go to column. Okay, all perfect. Auto code. Okay. Then I will click preview. Within 3 minutes, you can create a small BOQ. Okay, by extracting quantities from a Revit model. Okay, so this is the modern technology. Okay, now industry slowly and solidly move into building information modeling from the 2D concept. Okay, so in order to survive in the construction industry, you have to adapt to these technologies. Okay, so this is small magic. Okay, I know uh, all of you coming from a traditional background, you get 2D drawings, then you extract quantities, then you prepare BOQs, then you prepare cost plans, okay, and you are controlling the cost by using, okay, please mute, okay, okay, controlling the cost by using these quantities, okay, so this is very important, okay. So I hope you enjoyed my little show, okay, then I will introduce myself. I will share my screen. I will introduce myself in an interesting way, okay. I will go to my LinkedIn profile and I will introduce myself. Okay, I will share my screen. Okay, stay in the meeting till the end. This will change your life. Okay, these things are very important, not only for your quantity surveying profession, but also for your life. My name is Tilina Vitarama. I'm a young quantity surveyor, and you can see 5D BIM quantity survey, BIM specialist, 3D modeling, partner at Gordon. So I have a couple of companies. My first company is Technosaka City Private Limited in Sri Lanka. Then I have started another company in Oman, Tusker International. Okay, so I'm the executive director at Tusker International. Okay, I will explain myself in an interesting way. I will click on my resume website. Okay, now instead of having a regular resume, okay, please create a regular resume website. Then you can impress your clients. Okay, so having skill is not enough. You have to market your skills in order to survive in the construction industry. My name is Stilini Vitarama. I'm technical manager, writer, researcher, many things. Okay, if you click on here, you can go to my LinkedIn profile. If you click on here, you can go to my Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channel. Okay, so this is some general information of mine. Up to now, I think I have trained more than 2,000 students. I have to update this, and I have worked in more than 25 projects and lot of supporting others. So I can work with Costex, PlanShift, Bluebeam, KubeCost, Revit, uh, and Microsoft uh, packages and ArchiCAD as well. Okay, so this is my professional experience. I started my career at Access Engineering in Sri Lanka. Then I joined QServe, then CCIS Private Limited, then Claudin International. And these are few details of mine. You can go to my resume website and see these things. And these are some 5DB models I have created. So IAHS project. So if you use this because 5DB software, you can finish a project single-handedly. So this is a completed project of mine. And SoftLogic glow mark chain, okay, who extracted the quantities to prepare the BOQ for that particular building. Okay, you can see my face. Then these are few other models, okay, and these are some 3D models of mine, and this is beam training. Okay, so you can see this is the lecture panel of University of Moratuwa. I have trained them with regards to this key because fighting software, and this is Sunken overseas staff, and this is VIC, and this is CCMPL. And after I had trained a lot of people, and this is some personal achievements of mine. So I am the VPPR. Now I'm VP membership of IQSS Toastmasters Club, and these are some sports activities I have involved with. And I'm the I was a technical manager of ArchiCAD software in Sri Lanka, so which is the all this BIM software. So many things. So currently I'm working as a education representative for Middle East region with regards to this because file software. So I will come to that. So I think you have got some idea about me, and I will update you more. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, I will share my screen. Okay, this is more presentation of mine. Okay, stay in the meeting. Okay, this is very important. So, as I mentioned earlier, I'm the regional representative for uh, this Claudin International, fifth largest construction software provider in the world. So I'm the regional representative for Middle East region. And this is a CPD session I have done for IESL UAE, a professional body for engineers. And this is a CPD session I have done for SLQS Oman last year. Then this is a CPD session for CyberQS Sri Lanka. And this is the first ever BIM competition organized in Sri Lanka. So I organized this BIM competition and more than 70 students participated for this. And this CPD session for IQSSL. So I'm doing the digital quantification part for their MVP program. And this is another session for CyberQS, and this is IQS as a Toastmaster Club. So I'm the VP membership. So if you want to improve your communication skills, you can contact me. I will make you join for this IQS as a Toastmasters Club. And this is the training session I have done for lecturers of University of Moratuwa. Okay, so this is a special achievement of for me. And this is training for VICM consultants, and this is IGVR valuation firm, and this is Sunken Overseas, and this is Cost Management Services Private Limited. And I have trained almost all the construction firms and consultancy firms in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka Army, ICC, QServe, Clagsec, Moonstone, Reform, Value Management Services. I have trained more than 2,000 quantity surveys. Okay. This is my 5D BIM training, and these are some physical trainings in Oman. And this is QS of Taolin and first batch. 112 people participated for this batch, and this is final year BIM module for KD students, and this is my Revit and Navisworks course. Um, and I have trained more than 100 students with regards to Revit and Navisworks. Okay, so this is about me. I would like to ask, your training will be benefited for NWE quantity surveys, new quantity surveys started from basic levels. Yes, 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 yes. This is very important for young quantity surveys. I love to train young people. Okay, in fact, you can see in this picture. Okay, so after finishing this Revit and Navisworks course, okay, I have organized a BIM competition among my students, and I have given a valuable gift for their commitment. Okay, so you can see. So I love to train young people, and I love to see their success. Okay, I will share some success stories. Okay, it's very important. Okay, guys, let's start the demonstration. Okay, so this is very important. I will introduce you three software today: PlanShift, Bluebeam Review, Costex, and yeah, those are three software. So I will start with the PlanShift software. Okay, so this is very important. Please observe carefully. Okay, many people think PlanShift is easy. Okay, and many people do not understand the value of this PlanShift software. I will explain you a little bit about the PlanShift software by using a small demonstration. Okay, so you don't like theories, no? You like practical scenarios. Okay, I will explain fun. Okay, then you will understand the value of this PlanShift software. Okay, um I will open my PlanShift software and I will demonstrate this. So this is very interesting. Okay, PlanShift is one of the oldest um, quantification software available in the world, and a lot of companies using this PlanShift software. And yeah, you can measure areas, lengths, and you can count elements by using this PlanShift software. And personally, I feel this PlanShift software is more than a quantification software. Okay, so yeah, can't you hear me? One person said, please, could you increase your volume? Others, can you hear me?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay, no? Yeah.
We can hear you.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Thank you very much for your feedback. Okay. Okay. This is PlanShift software. Okay, so this is very important software. Most people think this software is a very simple software. Okay, but this software is like a coding software for me. Okay, so you can build your own quantification templates by using this PlanShift software. So that is the most important part of this PlanShift software. So if you have Costex software, uh, there are templates available. Okay, you have to just measure. If you measure by using Cubicos 5D software, you have to model and then extract the quantities. But if you use this PlanShift software, okay, so you can create your own measurement template. Okay, so this is very, very important. I will show you one example. Okay, uh, please give me a moment. I will get a drawing from my project folder. Important. Software all-in-one, software all-in-one, study materials, plans, training. Okay, I will get the interesting drawing. Okay, so many of you have great interest in MEP measurements, no? Okay, so there is higher demand in UAE, Saudi Arabia for MEP quantity surveys. Okay, yes. Okay, I will show a small demonstration to you. Okay, so this is my PlanShift software. Quickly start a project. I will keep job code as 658989 something. Then I will just give a description, demo one. Then I will click next. Then I have to select the drawing from the desktop. I will click on this duct measurement PDF and I will click next and finish. Okay, so I want to measure this small duct. Okay, so what are the options available? Okay, so you get measure by using area, linear, segment, and count. Okay, but when you measure the duct, you have to get the area of this duct. Okay, I will give you a small explanation about that. Okay, I will go to Google, then I will show you a cross section of a duct. Okay, a duct cross section. Okay, then you can understand this better, way better. Okay, I will show you a small picture from the Google, our dear friend Google. Now we have more options. We have ChatGPT. We have lot of AIs. Okay, so this is a small duct. Okay, as you can see, this is the duct section. Okay, this is the height and this is the width and this is the length of the duct. So if you want to measure the area, first you have to get this sectional length. Okay, then you have to multiply it from the duct length. Okay, then you can get the area of this duct. If you understand this scenario, please put the yes message in your chat box. Okay, when I doing the interactive training for you, first I will measure by using the software, then I will ask you to put the done message. Okay, then after you putting the done message, I will explain the next part. Okay, I think you have got a very good understanding of this. Okay, please put the yes message. Okay, okay, if you work on your fingertips, okay, then it will affect your brain function. Okay, okay, very good. Thank you very much for your done message, yes message. Okay, okay, so this is the PlanShift software. I'm going to design a measurement for you. Okay, so please observe very carefully. I will go to templates. It's very simple. Okay, I will go to templates. Then before that, I will scale this drawing. Okay, we have to scale this drawing. I will go to scale. Then I will scale this. This length is 6.025. I'll put 6.025 here. Then I will measure like this. Okay. Then I have to scale this side as well. I'll click on scale. Then this is 6.2, 6.2. I'll click OK and here to here. Okay, now I have perfectly scaled this drawing. Then I will go to templates. Then I will click on import new tab. Then this is MEP. I'll click OK. This is my tab. Then I will click on linear. Then this is duct. Okay. Then I will click OK. Yes. Okay. Instead of MEP, I will put MEP demo 121. Okay, then you can identify this much better. Okay, so then I will click on the linear, then I will type duct here. Okay, so this is very important. Then I will click OK. So this is my template. I will double click on it. Now I'm going to design your measurement. Okay, so what are the parameters you need? You need duct width and duct height, no? Okay, so now I'm going to design. Okay, please observe very carefully. This will be very, very important for you. Okay, so you can see quantity, you can see take off here. Okay, so this is what we are going to measure in the drawings. Okay, so normally we measure the length. Then I will click here. Then I will put width. Okay, then I will click estimating here. Then I will click OK. Okay, now you have width. Then you need height, no? H-E-I-G-H-T, height. Then click OK. You have height. Then you have to have sectional length. Sectional length. Then click OK. This is sectional length. I will bring this bad boy to the top. Okay. So now you have to create a formula. If you want to get the sectional length, what is the formula? 2 into length, 2 into width plus length, no? Width plus height, no? Yes. Then I will close the bracket. Okay. Then what is the unit of this width? It should be meters. Am I correct? Height, again the meters. Sectional length also meters. Okay. Then I will put these two bad boys into our template. Okay. Then this quantity means the length we measure in the drawing. Okay. The length we measure in the drawing. Remember this length. Okay. This length. So we are measuring this length in the drawing. Then we have to multiply this length with this sectional length. Okay. I hope you understand this. Then I will multiply this takeoff from this sectional length. Okay. Then final outcome should be area, no? Okay. We can get the area from these parameters. Yes, very good. Then you have to go to your form layout. Okay, then you can adjust your template. I will add units to this template. Okay, you can see unit in front of this width, and you can see unit in front of this height. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so you can design your measurement like that. So it is very, very important. Okay. Okay, now I will click OK. So this is my duct measurement. I will go to home. Then I will go here and I will click on MEP Demo 121. Okay, then I will double click on duct. Then I will put width. What is my width? It is 0.4. Sorry. My width is 1.350. My height is 0.4. Then I will click OK. Then here to here. Double click here. Okay, here to here. Double click here. Okay, then I will right click. Then I will stop. Then I will zoom out. Right click again and click on Show Legend. So you can see the quantity of this particular duct at the bottom. Okay, so this is the importance of this PlanShift software. Okay, you can just measure the area, length, and you can count elements by using this software. And many people think, okay, this is PlanShift, this is very easy, but you have to learn more than that. Okay, so PlanShift is a advanced software, and you have to learn all the tricks. Then only you can get a job in a prestigious company. Okay, when you go to a company, not only in Middle East but also in Australia and New Zealand, okay, they will give you a drawing and they will ask you to measure. Okay, if you struggle, then they don't hire you. Okay, so this is very important. Sometimes they test the special features of the software. Okay, in order to work with these softwares, you have to get familiar first. Okay, so please think about it. I will give you one example. So one student from my of mine from Australia, you can go her LinkedIn and chat with her, Tilini Vijay Singh. Okay, she is one of my students, and she went for an interview, and they asked specifically about one function of Bluebeam use of software, auto identification function. They asked that function specifically. Okay, so based on that knowledge, she got the job. Okay, so think about it. Think very seriously. So this is the plan shift software. Okay, so under this plan shift training, I will train you everything. Okay, so I will show you my lecture note. Okay, so this is very important. This is the comprehensive lecture note I'm going to give. Okay, all the lecture notes will be provided. Okay, I will open this architectural lecture note. Actually, this is Costex note. Yeah, this is the plan shift note. Okay, so this is note one. Okay, so you can see this is the plan shift and this is the content. Okay, in this lecture note, you can see first I explain the interface of the software. Okay, page setting, basic setting, navigation, manual measurement, takeoff quantities, everything. Then how to import and scale and manual quantification, auto quantification, change management, report preparation. Okay, you can have everything in this comprehensive lecture note. Okay, so uh, this is lecture note 2. Okay, and you can see substructure part. Remove entries, site clearance. Okay, just according to the BOQ. And every item has explained. Okay, remove entries, count the tree shapes in drawing. In plan shift method, use the count function and measure one by one. Okay, this is a comprehensive note. In this comprehensive note, you can understand everything. Okay, so how to connect Excel with plan shift software, then how to connect Excel with plan shift software to get existing quantity. Okay, converting existing item to another item using copy and paste method. Okay, everything has been explained in this comprehensive note. Okay, after finishing the course, okay, you can revise your memory very easily by using this note. Okay,
And another, hello.
yes.
Yeah, sorry. Just wanted to know with the quantification, quantity takeoff also, we'll be getting to know about the costing also here.
Yeah. Okay, after quantification, I will explain to you about the report preparation, the costing part. Okay, so you have to do a small rate analysis and then you can put the rate and you can get the final estimation. Okay,
The rate analysis also will be learned here, right? Like you will be
yes,
teaching, for example, taking an example of a cost, taking an example of a material and getting to know about the cost rate analysis of the particular equipment, including the installation, labor charges, and all those things.
yes. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Because the rates differ from region to region.
Yeah, so I will, yeah, so you have rates, no? So I think you are in India. Oh,
Correct.
yes. So yeah, rate different from region to region. Okay, but method is the same, no?
Correct. Correct. Yeah.
Okay,
Thanks.
okay, you're welcome. Okay, so that is about the plans in software. Okay, now I'm going to explain you very important software. This is Costex software. Okay, so I will explain everything with related to this Costex software. Okay, so this is very important. So I will open my presentation and I will give you a brief idea about this Costex software. So this is very important. So if you're willing to obtain a job in Australia, New Zealand, UK, Canada, you must learn this software. Okay, this is the main quantification software in those countries. Okay, so if I will introduce you Costex software, then I will explain the interface of Costex software, basic settings, manual quantification, auto quantification, change management with Costex software, workbook management, and benefits. Okay, so history of Costex software. Okay, so the software origin from Australia and it has more than 15 years of experience now, history now. So a lot of companies using this Costex software all over the earth. And global users, as I mentioned earlier, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, UK, USA, and Middle East region, Oman. Uh, Recently, I heard that Majan also purchased this Costek software for their company, and UAE, in Saudi Arabia, a lot of companies using this Costek software. Okay, and the importance of this Costek software. Okay, so if you want to go for a job, consultancy job, you have to learn this Costek software. Okay, so these days the best market is Saudi market for quantity surveys. Okay, so they have started their pre-contract activities. These days, if you learn this Costek software, it will be an added advantage for your professional life. Okay, and the learning method, interactive training method. So this is very important. First, I will explain the function, then I will allow you to do the function. Then after that, uh, I will ask you to put the done message. Okay. Then after the done message, I will go to the next part. So this is interactive training. Uh, in this interactive training, you can get familiar with the software within the class. Okay. No need to work after the class. Within the class, you can get familiar with the software. Then after you do the, you can do the assignment. Okay. Then you can test your skills. Okay. And this is the interface, top bar, player management, drawing management, navigation area, and the measurement tab. And this is the dimension view tab. So this is the interface. I will explain this interface by using this Costek software. I will open the Costek software and I will explain these things. And this is how to import a drawing to this Costek software. And you have to scale the drawing after importing the drawing. Okay, this is very, very important. Uh, and this is quantification part. So you have two methods, this point method and uh, line method. Okay, so you can use these two methods. Then this is the auto quantification part. So you can scan your element and you can quantify the elements automatically. This is very important. And this is the change management. You can compare a couple of drawings by using this Costek software. Then you can identify the differences. Then you have to quantify again. Then you can prepare a variation BOQ at the end. Okay, I will teach you that. Then the workbook management. So you have to manage your workbook properly. Okay, then you can create a comprehensive BOQ. So I will show you one BOQ to you and the benefits. Okay, there are a lot of benefits if you're willing to migrate to another country. Okay, this will be very, very important to get a job. Okay, recently, again, previous example, Trini Vijay Singh had got a job in New Zealand based on her measurement skills. Okay, based on the Dubeam use of tab. Then opportunities in UK and Middle East, preparation for exam. This is very important. Okay, some people, not the most, think okay, no need to learn this software. We can learn this software after we get the job. Okay, so our seniors will teach you. So they think like that. Okay, but you have to remember, in order to get the job, you have to get familiar with the software. Otherwise, how you can get the job? You have to show your measurement skills to your company. Okay, so think about it. Okay, don't be silly and get ready for the future job market. Okay, now technology is developing one day, day by day. Okay, in order to survive in the construction industry, you have to learn the software and business opportunity. So I'm big fan of business. So after learning the software, so you can start Fiverr and you can start your own business. Okay, then you can have the freedom of your life. Okay, I'm not a big fan of regular jobs. I'm a big fan of business world. Okay, so you have to start your own business. Okay, at some point, then you can have financial freedom and you can have freedom of your life. Okay, so think about it. Okay, this is Costex. I will open the Costex software and I will explain the things you are going to learn. Okay, this is very important. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, this will change your life. Okay, I will give you a best example. Okay, a best example. Do we need to learn all this software or only experience one better? Could you please advise? Learn all the software. That is the That is my advice for you. Okay. So, my dear students, first you will learn the architectural measurements by using this Costex software. I will open my architectural project. Okay, desktop, direction to Costex files. Okay, this is an architectural model project. Okay, okay.
Sorry for interrupting, but just wanted to ask another question.
Mhm.
Will we be getting the projects to work out after every session or something like that?
Yeah, yeah. So I will explain that. Okay, I'm going to explain that.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, no problem. Thanks,
okay,
thanks.
okay. So this is architectural project. Okay, so you have, I think you have attended to many courses, no? Okay, and they explained you the functions of the software and like that. Okay, but this is little bit different from that. Okay, so I will give you a complete drawing. Okay, so you can see this is architectural drawing. Okay, so I will explain how to measure this drawing one by one. Okay, so this is a complete drawing. You have to measure this drawing completely within the class. Okay, you can see. Okay, I will show you the 3D view of this. Okay, you can see you have to measure everything within the class. You can't skip anything. Okay, in this training, I will train you to uh, do complete this model in a short period of time. Okay, so there are many construction quantification softwares available in the world. You have Plansys, you have Bluebeam, you have Costex. Do you know the price of Costex software? It is more than 5,000 USD. Why construction companies spend more than 5,000 USD for this Costex software? They need the time efficiency. Okay, so learning the functions is not enough. You have to have the industrial experience. You have to you have to improve your speed. You have to improve your uh, accuracy. Okay, so you have to work with me within the class. Okay, then you have to develop your measurement speed. Then you can enhance the full out of this Costex software. Okay, so after that, I will explain you about the substructure part. Okay, I will open the substructure project. Okay, I will go to import and click on Costex data, and this is the substructure project. Substructure part you are going to learn in this course. Okay, I will explain everything. Okay, not only the functions, I will give you industrial experience. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, this is what you have to work on. Okay, so this is the substructure part. You can see I will teach you everything in substructure: earthwork support, excavation trenches, pile cap excavation, site clearance, site preparation, then substructure concrete, ground beam, ground beam formwork, pile cap concrete, pile cap formwork, slab concrete, then the surface treatment. Okay, everything. Okay, and you can see this is the dimension view, and this is general arrangement of pile cap drawings. Okay, this is very important. Okay, see, I will show you the 3D view. You will learn everything. You have to measure each and every quantity within the class with me. Okay, so after that you can develop this model. Okay, so after the measurement, okay, so you have to go to workbook view, and this is subtract the BOQ. I will guide you to prepare the BOQ as well. Okay, excavation and earthwork, creating and removing all the debris site. Okay, likewise, I will help you to generate the BOQ. This is very important. Okay, and you have to learn few tricks. Okay, learning the function, learning the quantification, uh, not enough. You have to learn the easy methods. Okay, I will show you one small example. Okay, so you can see all layers. okay, in this drawing, okay, but it is difficult to measure in this scenario, no, okay, it is little bit
Excuse me,
complex,
are
no.
you providing this recording to us?
Yes, I will upload this to my YouTube channel, then I will send you the link, okay.
Okay, in case we miss the attend to the your live session.
Yeah, I will give you the recording after every session, okay, nothing to worry about. Okay, I want you to learn this software. Okay, I want to produce digital qualified quantity surveys for the industry. Okay, this is very important. Okay, and I will click on layers. Okay, then I will go to layers. Then I will click on this green color layer, and I will click on this green color layer. Okay, I want to measure the trenches. And I will go click on invert layers. Okay, okay, you can isolate your layers. Okay, then you can measure. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so you have to learn those tricks. Okay, after learning those tricks, you can improve the measurement speed. Okay, so after learning this substructure part, you have to learn the superstructure part. Okay, I will explain you everything you are going to learn in this class. Okay, don't worry, I will only take 1 hour. Okay, I will explain very quickly. Okay, superstructure part, these things are very important because you have to know what you are going to learn in this course. Okay, okay, you have to have a better value for your money. Okay, you have to have a quality training. Okay, this is the structure part. Okay, in the superstructure you will learn everything. Okay, so okay, again I imported substructure one. I will delete this and I will import the superstructure one. Okay, this is superstructure. Okay, okay, okay. So this is my superstructure project. Okay, you will learn everything. Okay, beam concrete, beam formwork, column concrete, column formwork, slab formwork, and then wall concrete, wall formwork. Okay, so you can see you can have all the things uh, in your drawing. Okay, so this is my column part. Okay, so you can have the 3D view of this, and this is general alignment of pool deck. Okay, so I will teach you how to measure uh, concrete walls and formwork. Okay, I will teach you the most easiest method. Then this is the superstructure. Okay, many of the lecturers don't teach this reinforcement part. Okay, so this is very important. I will teach you the reinforcement part. Okay, I will have a separate session for the reinforcement measurement with regards to this Costex software. Okay, so this is reinforcement measurement. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, okay, I will explain one by one. Okay, okay, then draw home file, and this is the reinforcement measurement. Okay, so if you are a quantity surveyor, okay, so you have to you have to improve your accuracy. Okay, and you have to improve your persistency, and you have to measure faster. Okay, those things are very important. And what is the other thing you have to develop? The presentation skill. So as a quantity surveyor, you have to present your quantities in a prolific manner. Okay, so you can see in this beam reinforcement. Okay, so main bar, sit up. Okay, so you have to give um, very good impression for your supervisor. Okay, so you have to measure everything with clarity. Okay, so you can create subfolders like this and you can measure. Okay, I will explain you beam reinforcement, column reinforcement, pile cap, slab, then wall reinforcement as well. Okay, so this is very important, and you can see in this drawing. Okay, and like this you have to measure your quantities. Okay, so reinforcement part is also very important. Okay, then after that I will teach you how to prepare a POQ. Okay, I will show you a POQ. I will import a POQ project. Okay, okay, I will select this. After learning everything, MEP, structural, architectural, you have to prepare the POQ. Okay, so I will open this POQ project. I will go to workbook, then I will click on this POQ. Okay, so you have to drag and drop every quantity and you have to prepare the POQ. Okay, so this is also very important. I will show you an example for this POQ. So this is assignment of Mr. Janaka Singha. Okay, he is a prestigious quantity surveyor in UAE, and this is the POQ he has prepared at the end of his course. Okay, so after learning this software, you will be able to prepare a comprehensive POQ like this. Okay, so this is Mr. Janaka's POQ. Okay, this is very important. Okay, see, this is his assignment. Okay, I will teach you to create this comprehensive POQ at the end of the course. Okay, and these are the markup drawings of Mr. Janaka. Okay, and this is the final outcome of this course. Okay, so you have to do this comprehensive assignment at the end. Okay, not only structural architecture, you have to measure MEP as well. Okay, and these are the assumption sheet. This is the assumption sheet of your assignment. Okay, and after finishing the course, you can get this comprehensive certificate. Okay, and if you scan this QR code, you can go to your assignment. Okay, then recruiters can get a very good understanding about you before they recruit you. Okay, this is very important. Okay, now I think you have got a very good understanding about the COSTEX training. Okay, not only that, not only POQ preparation, I will teach you how to compare a couple of
Excuse
drawings.
me,
And
can you show again this certificate?
yes, this is your certificate, and this is the QR code. Okay, so you can scan the QR code, and you can uh, scan right now. Okay, then you can see the Janaka certificate. Okay, so if you are looking from a computer,
Can you
personal
go up?
computer,
I
yeah.
can see full.
Okay, you can see logo Technosaga City.
Thank you.
Okay. Technosaga City is my local company. Tusker International is my Oman company. Okay, so you can get the logos of both. Okay, and this is about COSTEX, and lecture note is very important in this COSTEX. Okay, so this is my comprehensive lecture note. Okay, you can see my
Do
plane.
you have an institute in Oman?
Yeah, Tusker International.
Yeah, there is any physical classes?
Yeah, I have done some physical classes. Yeah, you can join if you want. I will come Oman the second, no, 1st of September. Okay. Then
Okay.
if you need, you can contact me. Okay. But you have to have a group.
Okay.
Okay, then I can. delivered. Okay. Okay. So this is pipe length. Okay. You can see step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. I will explain. I have explained everything step by step. Okay. After finishing the course, you can revise your memory very easily with this comprehensive note. Okay. See, pipe riser, step by step, pipe ancillaries, step by steps, angles, sockets, lamps, cable tray, cable length, HVAC equipments. Okay, step by step, I have explained them all. This is very, very important. So, this is Costex. Okay, I'll give you a comprehensive idea about the Costex software as well. And what is our final software? It is Bluebeam View software. Okay, if I say I will say you an interesting thing. Okay, this Bluebeam View takes 2.5% of percentage of market share of construction software available in the world. Okay, do you believe me? Okay, so it is the truth. Okay, this is very, very important software. So if you want to go to Australia, New Zealand, UK, USA, you have to learn this software. Okay, which LOD level can reach after finishing this course? LOD levels, level of development. Okay, so level of development related to building information modeling. Okay, yeah, I can't get to your question. Okay, I will continue to explain. Okay, so this is very interesting software. Actually, this is a construction management software. Okay, I will show you a few tricks. Okay, then it will make you to it will make this session more interesting. So I'll go to file, then I will click on open. Okay, then I will go to my desktop and open a drawing. Important. Then US software all in one. Study materials. To be brave. Okay, so I will open Bluebeam View Archie. Okay. Okay, so this is your Bluebeam View software. Okay. See, this is a drawing management software. Okay. So if you want to, okay, capture something, okay, you can just click C. If you want to cloud something, you can press C. Okay, you can cloud like this. Okay, so if you want to have an arrow, you can click A and have arrow like this. Okay, if you want to put a text, you can put a text like this. Okay, change this. Okay, so this is very interesting. Okay, so you can manage your drawings properly with this Bluebeam View software. Okay, so apart from the quantification part, you have to learn this drawing management part. Okay, could you please a bit louder? Okay, can you hear me properly again, guys? Any comment?
Sorry for
It's okay.
interrupting.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Your
can
sound
hear
is
you.
slow, but very clear. But
Yeah.
it's less sound.
Yeah. Shall I speak more louder?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I will speak more louder. Okay. Extremely sorry for the inconvenience. Okay. Okay. Please give me a moment. Okay. Can you hear me now? No, it's okay, no? It's still the same. Okay. Okay, I will share my screen. Yeah, you guys can hear me, no? Okay. Okay, now please observe, okay? This is a small trick. Okay, I will go to um, open, then I will go to my desktop and I will open this drawing, this Bluebeam structure, okay? So I need few things to do, okay? So this is my Bluebeam uh, structure drawing. Then I will go here, okay? So this is my thumbnail area, okay? These are the sections, okay? You can see section 1 here. You can see section 1 and then you can see section 2, section 4, section 5. Okay, then I will go to this plan drawing. Okay, so this is my plan drawing. Okay, so this is my section 1. Okay, uh, my sectional drawing is here and my plan drawing is here. Okay, so uh, every time I have to go this section drawing, then I have to memorize these quantities. This is 300 and this is 950. Then I will go to my plan drawing. Then I have to measure again. Okay, so it is very tough, no? Okay, as quantity surveyors, we like to measure things very easily. Okay, so we can split our uh, screen like this. Okay, so then I will click here and I will click here. Okay, so this is my uh, this is my sectional drawing and this is my plan drawing. Okay, so I can see the section here. Okay, then I can measure the plan drawing. Okay, so this is my section. You can see section 1. Okay, section 1 here, and you can see the plan drawing here. Okay, so you can observe the plan drawing. Okay, then you can measure the, so you can observe the sectional drawing, then you can measure the plan drawing. Okay, you can split your drawing very easily. Okay, so it is one trick of this plan shift software. Okay, I will show you another one. Okay, if you want to delete something, okay, I want to get rid of this part of the drawing, you can easily go to this cut content and you can just select this. Okay, so you can cut contents from your PDF. Okay, it's very interesting. Then this is my plan drawing and this is my section drawing. I want to have this section in my plan drawing. Okay, how I can have this sectional drawing, this plan drawing is very simple. Okay, you can go to this capture icon. Okay, you can click on capture, then you can select drawing like this, drawing area like this. Okay, then you can press Ctrl V here, then this is the section. Okay, so you can have your section in your plan drawing. Okay, so this is the drawing management part. Okay, you have to learn this by heart. Okay, then the quantification part, which is very interesting. Okay, this is the quantification part. Okay, you can see C3F2. If I want to measure this particular pit excavation, okay, I can go to my sectional drawing, then I can have very good understanding about heights and all. And this is the height. It is 900 plus 50. Okay, altogether 950 is the height of this particular pit. Okay, I can go to this drawing. Then again, I can go near to this particular pit. Okay, then I will go here. I want to measure the volume. I will go get this volume and subject should be pit excavation. Then label should be C3F5. Okay, then the depth should be in meters 0.95. Okay, then length should be in meters area should be in square meters, and volume should be in cubic meters. Okay. Now you can measure like this. Okay. And you can have the quantity as 1.33. Okay. And if you click on this quantity, you can have the quantity down below. Okay. If I click on this particular quantity, okay, you can get the quantity down here. Okay, 0 point. So see 1.33. Okay, pit excavation. So likewise, you can get the quantity. Okay, so this is the measurement sheet. Okay, so you can use this Bluebeam 3D software for measurements as well. Okay, so I will teach you everything with regard to this Bluebeam 3D software. Remember, okay, this Bluebeam 3D software helped New Zealand quantity surveyor to get a job. Very important, these facts. Okay, so now we have come to the end of this introduction session. I hope you have got very good understanding about what we are going to teach in this comprehensive course. Okay, I want to train many as possible. Okay, so you have to join for this session, this upcoming course, and learn under me. This will be a very good experience for you. Okay, so at the end, normally I do a small presentation. Okay, this is for your professional development. Okay, this is not for your uh, quantification skills. This is for your professional development. Okay, I call this presentation as final presentation. This is, I'm not going to say important. This is interesting. Okay. Why learning visualization important for quantity surveyors? Be prepared for the future challenges. Okay, as quantity surveyors, we have to be prepared. Okay, so now with the development of technology, now the world move into metaverse. Okay, instead of Facebook, now you will experience metaverse in a couple of years. Okay, as quantity surveyors, where are, okay, if you are a quantity surveyor who measure manually, okay, you have to upgrade yourself. You have to merge with these digital technologies. If you measure by using digital technologies, you have to learn BIM and you have to further develop. Okay, be prepared for future challenges. Then go for profession. Go abroad for profession. Many quantity surveyors migrating to another country to have a better life. If you want to have a better life, you have to have a better job. In order to get a better job, you have to learn the software. Then APC interviews. Okay, so I have trained a lot of chartered quantity surveyor. Okay, you can go to LinkedIn and you can find out many chartered quantity survey, even in Oman, UAE, and Sri Lanka as well. If I say some names, Mr. Callum and Mr. Uh, uh, Janaki Singha, then from UAE, then I have trained Dr. Uh, uh, Vijay Vikrama from UAE and lot of quantity surveys. I have trained more than 2,000 quantity surveys all over the world. Okay, so recently one of my student from Cubicos 5DP batch, okay, and he contacted me and he told me that okay, he went for an interview to get the IQSSL chartership, okay, and they asked about digital quantification from him. Okay, so based on that, he got the chartership and he told me that that helped him to get the chartership. Okay, so it is very important. Okay, previous that I have trained Mr. Chulanand Gomas from Oman as well. So a lot of prestigious quantity surveys. Kumudu Rangan in Sri Lanka, Yasita Bulat Sinhala, IQSSL Chartered Quantity Surveys. Then in UAE, Asanka Rajavira, Janaki Singha, and many quantity surveys. Okay, so you have to learn. Then you start a new business. After learning the software, you have to convert that skill to a business. Okay, you have to create a Fiverr account and you have to start a small business. Okay, then you have to develop that business. Then you can have a freedom of your life. then go abroad for higher education. Okay, I have separate classes for I had separated classes for students in New Zealand and Australia, because when they enter into their degree program, okay, and they have to do some assignments by using this digital software, especially in New Zealand and Australia. Okay, so if you want to go abroad for higher educations, you have to get familiar with this software. And then future of quantity surveys. Okay, so what is this? This is the metaverse. Okay, so now Facebook company developed this metaverse. This is a virtual reality. Okay, so you have to wear a virtual glass and enter into this metaverse, and you have to uh, make a different character. Okay, so world is moving. Okay, where are we? In order to move with the world, we have to improve our technological skills. Okay, so please think about this. And this is the NEOM project. Okay, they will definitely use digital quantification and building information modeling in this NEOM project. If you want to get a job opportunity in this NEOM project, you have to learn this software. And this is the RIM project in Dubai, and this is the Brisbane Olympic. Okay, they will definitely use the Costex and other plans it and to be in this project. If you want to obtain a job in Australia as a construction professional, you have to learn the software. And this is the PodSit project. Okay, I have a big hope for this PodSit project. If they start this PodSit project, I will come back to Sri Lanka and work as a quantity surveyor. Okay, I will give that commitment to my country. And this is another thing. I'm a big fan of mindfulness. Okay, if you are a quantity surveyor, please practice mindfulness. It will be very, very important to develop yourself, and you have to think out of the box. If you're a quantity surveyor, think out of the box. Okay, overcome the professional barriers, learn coding, learn 3D modeling. Okay, apart from the quantity survey. Okay, overcome the professional barriers and develop yourself. And engage with the technologies. As I mentioned earlier, learn coding. Okay, you saw my professional website. Okay, that particular website developed by me. Okay, by using Bootstrap technology. You have to learn coding as a quantity surveyor. It is very important. Otherwise, a AI tool will replace you. Okay, think very seriously. And you can see the building management services in this picture. Okay, learn those things. Okay, this is very important. And this is robotic technology, and learn the software. Not only Costex, PlanSwift, and Ruby. You have to learn SketchUp, Lumion, Revit, and other software available in the world in order to survive in the future construction industry. And this is project of one of my student. Okay, Mr. Dushan Costa from University of Moratuwa. Now he is a lecturer at University of Moratuwa. I assigned him this project. Costa, you have to learn SketchUp and you have to develop a 3D model by using Lumion software. Okay, then this is a separate project of mine. Okay, I have done one course for this one. Okay, I need to grab Sri Lankan quantity surveyors and I want them to have this knowledge SketchUp and Lumion. Then I want to have a Fiverr account. Okay, I want them to have a Fiverr account and they have to market their skills in Fiverr and they have to earn dollars and bring dollars to Sri Lanka. Okay, this is a separate project for me, and I've only charged 10,000 or something for that particular course, and I reinvested that course money to students. Okay, I gave them back as gift. Okay, for best models, I want to create a bunch of people who are competent with this SketchUp, and then they can bring some dollars to Sri Lanka. And not only Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, there are a lot of freelancing websites available in the world. You have to create a one, then you have to earn money after this course. So not only having a skill is enough, but also you have to market your skills. LinkedIn is the best place to market your skills. Okay, I will give you one example after this demonstration. Then the Toastmaster. If you want to communicate well within your colleagues and superiors, you have to have a proper communication skills. If you want to develop your communication skill, join Toastmasters. Okay, I am the VPPR of IQSSL Toastmaster Club, and I have bought lot of wins to the club. Okay, I won the third place of humorous competition at district level. Okay, then I won the third place of international uh, speech competition context at the district level. Okay, so join Toastmasters Club and develop your communication skills and CV. Okay, have please create a proper CV. Okay, I have given you one insight. Okay, you can create a resume website instead of a regular CV. Think about it, market your skills, and uh, win the world. Okay, is very, very important. Okay, so I have three questions. How much is the cost fee? If you are a Sri Lankan country surveyor, it is 25,000 LKR. Okay, and I have given 20% of discount for international students as well. So you can pay uh, 880 USD now. So how would provide the software my PC for study purpose? Okay, I will provide you the uh, cracked version of the software. Okay, then I will provide you university ID and email to get the Costech software. Okay, any other questions? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay, this is a different experience for you, no? Please help to develop skills, how I can join IQSS Toastmaster. So now I am, earlier I was VPPR, now I am Vice President membership. You can contact me, I will join you directly. Thank you. Okay, you're welcome. Okay, you're welcome. And I will show you interesting story, okay? See, this young person. So you can contact him via LinkedIn, okay? Nata Mohammed, okay? Young professional, Nata Mohammed, okay? So, so he has posted my uh, certificate, okay? 402, okay? And see, this young fellow took my advice seriously, okay? Because I take, sorry, you can't see my screen, no? Okay, this young professional, Nata Mohammed, okay? He took my advice seriously because I take 15 minutes from every class and I teach something for professional development. First, I will teach you how to create a LinkedIn profile. Okay, then I will teach you how to create a proper CV. Okay, then I will teach you how to start a small business. Okay, then I will discuss about AI technology, especially machine learning technologies like AI technologies like uh, this chat GTP. Okay, so I have done one podcast with regards to that. If you go to my YouTube channel, you can see. And this young fellow took my advices very seriously. Okay, you can see. You can go to my LinkedIn as well. Okay, I also put these things like this. Okay, and he marketed his skill in the LinkedIn. He's just a 20 years old student. Okay, now see, he has got a job in this as estimation engineer in Kalaj Builders Group. Okay, so this is a Canadian company. Okay, and Canadian company contacted him via LinkedIn and told him to work 2 months remotely and then they will provide visa to Canada. Okay, 20 years old, 20 years old. After having plans with training. Okay, after having plans with training, he posted his work in LinkedIn. Then person contacted him via LinkedIn, Canadian company, and now he's very successful. You can chat with him, Nata Mohammed. Okay, he's a very good student of mine, and many success stories I have. So, Kilini also recently got a job. I share my screen. I can uh, share her chat with you. Okay, she got a job in New Zealand. Sasaka. Okay. So she got a job in New Zealand. Okay. And there are a lot of success stories. And Bhavishan, recently he got a job in UAE. Okay. And he told me that. See, Delini, this is her chat. See, thanks. I got the job. Wow, I'm happy. Your commitment is amazing. Okay, this Delini from Australia joined every class. So I think UAE 8 p.m. means 1 a.m. in Australia. Okay, he attend every class. Okay, if you want to become success, you have to commit. Okay, so this is a very good example for the commitment. Okay, she committed well and she got the result eventually. Okay, and she's from New Zealand. You can go to her LinkedIn, Tilini Vijay Singha, and you can contact her personally and get some advices. You can get advices from Nata. You can get advices from Tilini. Okay, then you can try and learn. Okay, and see Bhavishan also got a job recently. This is one of my student. Okay, and see, hi, yeah. Thank you for your teaching. Now is of the are on fingertips. I got a job as a quantity surveyor in ARCO turnkey solution. Okay, and you know what? His supervisor also my student. See, your senior is also my student. Okay, Muthuwani. She also my student. She is also my student. Okay, so but these are the success stories. Okay, if you want to become success, you have to join. You still have the time. I only recruit 100 students for this particular batch because I can't handle more than that. Okay, so be hurry. Okay, you have to pay on or before 2nd of September. Okay, then after that you can join for the course. Now already I think more than 40 students has paid their first installment and joined for this course. Okay, so you still have the chance. Okay, guys, if you have any question, please put your question in the chat box. I have a couple of minutes. What will be the course timing? Yeah, course timing. It is 8 p.m. onwards in UAE time. How many students will join? 100 students. Somebody.
So sorry, what will be the timings you told?
8 p.m. In UAE time.
Can you just tell me in Indian time? 8 p.m.
8 p.m.
8 p.m.
How Indian? Yeah, in Sri Lanka, in the Indian time, it is I think 9:30 or something. How
Actually,
Indian?
9:30.
Yeah, how Indian
One.
students need to pay the course? You can pay in dollars. Okay, guys. Further questions?
Hi, hi. Sorry for interrupting.
Yeah.
Indian students need to pay in USD or any Sri Lankan dollars, right?
USDs. Indian student. If you are Indian student, you have to pay.
What is the fees you told? 25,000
Sri
LKR,
Lankan
right?
rupees. LKR.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we pay through any Remitly app, like a Remitly
Yeah,
or
yeah.
Review app?
Yeah. You can.
Why it will convert Indian rupees to a Sri Lankan rupees or any USD
Yeah.
rupees, right?
Yeah. And you can pay via exchange centers as well.
Okay.
Then yeah, please send me WhatsApp message. Okay, if you want further detail, one ask fee details. Okay, please send a WhatsApp message. Then I will send you the detail. Okay, what is the payment amount for Sri Lanka? It is 25,000 LKR. Same, $80 equals 25 LKR. 25,000.
And these softwares you will provide a trial version or any?
No, full version. I'll provide Plansite and Looping Review full version, and Costex I will provide you University ID and University email. You can apply from Costex website and get the contract.
Okay. Okay. Any system requirements is there for this software to install?
i3 would be enough. 4G more than 4 GB RAM. Yeah.
Can we install the software in Mac also? Mac or
No,
only
no.
Windows?
Only Windows. You have to install Windows in Mac.
Parallels, right?
Then, yeah. Parallel. Yeah.
Parallels, through Parallels and Windows we can work, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. My
Thank you.
WhatsApp number. You're welcome. My WhatsApp number is +94 94 756. Okay.
Oh, sorry again for interrupting you. When will the course starts, and what is it will be in regular, right? Daily.
2nd of September.
Okay.
And yeah, you can send me a WhatsApp message, then I will send you all the details.
Yeah,
In
sure.
fact, I think
Sure.
if you
Thank
have already registered, I have sent you via WhatsApp and email. What about
No, you have sent only the payment links, not that courses. Only payments link you have sent. I just texted you about the payment links.
Yeah.
So you check the payment
Okay,
links.
I will send you others. Please send me a WhatsApp message, then I will send.
Yeah. Okay, sure. Thank you.
What about certificate? Is that from your firm, approved from software provider? It is from my firm, Technosaga City, registered company in Sri Lanka, Oman, Tusk International. So it's coming from my company.
And is it approved by RIB, for example, for Costex?
RIB.
Is it approved by RIB? Yeah.
No, because I'm teaching 3 software plans.
No, yeah, I can understand, but
Yeah.
just asking
Yeah.
for an information basis.
Okay.
Some companies, what they do is they give the RIB approved certificate, right? That's why I was just asking.
Oh, okay.
So it is not approved by RIB,
Not
right?
approved for you.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Okay. Now it's a little bit late. Okay, so if you have further questions, you can send me via WhatsApp. And thank you for joining. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay, let's meet in the course. Good night and have a wonderful week ahead. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye. Bye, everyone.